Hey guys, Wooly with Lightning Clean here. We had a job in Durham, screen and recoat in a townhome. It's a small area, engineered hardwood. We're going to vacuum the floor up right now. If you look closely, you can see the scratches here. Here you can see some damage. Yes, I just went for half a minute over the floor. This is what the black magic pad is taking up. You can see here the floor is slightly getting abraded so that the poly will take a hold before we put it on. And some of the scratches that are light will be taken out. So we're neutralizing the floor. And when we're putting poly on, we stain the poly a little bit. Water-based. Hey guys, so this is the first coat here, engineered hardwood floor in Durham, Lightning Clean. And we stained the poly a little bit. I don't know if you remember, but there's a big difference in this floor. I mean, it's definitely not perfect, but to the degree, what we're doing here, definitely, this looks much better. Much more uniform. You cannot see that. Well, you see it's still a little bit, but much less. Very nice, very nice. Yeah, so that's it. We're putting the second coat on now. Okay, the second coat is on, and it looks amazing. And yeah, this is in Durham, townhome, screen and recoat, engineered hardwood floors. Thank you guys, see you soon.